My name is Barbara Panzano. I started with Crash Proof Retirement in 2024. It's really important to get involved with Crash Proof sooner rather than later. You're going to make more than you ever made in the stock market. With Crash Proof, I actually made double digits in two of my accounts. One was over 20% and one was over 13%. Unbelievable returns for my first year. And the best thing is, with this volatile market, it's not going to affect me. I know that I'm guaranteed my principal. The double-digit returns that I earned will never be taken away. With the tariffs and a potential trade war, it's going to be a very rough year. But I won't be experiencing any of that pain because I'm involved in crash-proof retirement. Thank God. I have peace of mind and I don't have to stay up worrying about it at night anymore.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. To learn more about how Crash Proof Retirement is revolutionizing the financial industry by recording all financial meetings, register for the next Crash Proof Retirement educational event by calling 800-722-9728 or by visiting crashproofretirement.com.